Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with a new drawing video. Today with a very special DC comic commission, again for Ediyani. He once commissioned me with a Spider-Man vs. the Flash drawing and he liked it so much, he had to get another Tolg drawing. I use a reference for Superman, which Ediyani showed me. There is a signature at the bottom, so if you know the original artist, let me know in the comments below guys. This drawing was a ton of work, so give this video a like and subscribe to my channel guys. Now let's enjoy the drawing video together, and I will talk to you at the end again.
Yeah, there's so many questions inside my mind. From time to time I do the best of finding answers, even when I try. One day I'ma die, I sit alone in the realm and cry. I don't know why, until I ever wanna find. I've been doing this since I was 9. I just made beats on the Mac. Yeah, I just wanna rap and spit facts. Life moves so fast, I just wanna chase the cash. X wants me back, stop texting me, hope you got it, though. You cheating me like shit, like bro, hold up. You at the club getting drunk, like I have trust issues. Oops, as the story continues, I saw myself in the rear view. Yeah, been making those with my crew 2 times 2 equals 4. My lyrical ability is hardcore. Yeah. They call me Mars bars. I'm shooting for the stars. Yeah. They call me Mars bars. Mars bars. I'm shooting for the stars. Stars. Yeah. Mars bars. Mars bars. Yeah. Mars bars. Mars bars. Oh, look, I gotta play safe. They don't see the way I play the game. Me and these other rappers aren't the same. Here's the blame. I spit fire like propane. I'll leave it stain in the game. Yeah, you know the name, Prince Ray. Rap in my city of Conway. I'll tell everyone back on how I did it. Every minute spent in the basement. Shit, don't care about the payment or becoming famous. I'll leave a mark in someone's heart. Oh yeah, guess I'll be the greatest rapper alive that ever do it. Stay on the ground and prove it. It's a rave movement. Let's keep on moving. Back then they called me stupid. What do I need to do to improve this? Man, you are just stupid. What am I doing? I just wanna make an influence. They call me Mars bars. I'm shooting for the stars. Yeah. They call me Mars bars. I'm shooting for the stars. Yeah. Mars bars. Mars bars. Yeah. Mars bars. Mars bars. Sometimes I wish I was somebody else. Nobody really knows how I felt. The pain inside of myself, mental issues. I ask God for help. Too many questions I wanna ask you. Like, why does my life have to end up like this? I made too many mistakes. Yes, nobody wants me around these days. I lie to myself, I'm a liar. I lie every day. I pray to make change. These girls only want me for the money. I want a woman who can love me for the real me. Love me when my life is crumbling, tumbling down, crashing down. Sometimes I don't know what to do now. My generation just wants to get lost in the lust. Maybe that's why some of these kids get addicted to drugs. Yeah. My life is crashing down, I don't know what to do now. I know what it's like to feel alone. I'm broken and lost, feeling unwanted with no love. Yeah, I've had enough, I wanna stand up, make an influence. Yeah, I know what it's like to feel alone. I'm broken and lost, feeling unwanted with no love. Addicted to the fact you were once in love with the next, you can't get back. You pray sometimes, you wish you could go back to get a second chance. Some days I wish I was somebody else, so I know how they felt. Yeah, I'm back on the mess. Anxiety inside of my chest. I'm so sad, stuck inside this room, sitting on my bed, being depressed. Regrets I wish I could forget. Guess it's all the issues I had when I was a kid. Lived with a single mother with no dad, nobody at school knew the lyrics I hid. Yeah. My life is crashing down, I don't know what to do now. I know what it's like to feel alone. I'm broken and lost, feeling unwanted with no love. Yeah. My life is crashing down, I don't know what to do now. I know what it's like to feel alone. I'm broken and lost, feeling unwanted.
So guys, finally done. I worked the whole week on this drawing, an A3 size drawing in portrait mode with 2 characters in dynamic poses plus a destroyed city in the background, full colored. This really took me forever to finish, but I'm very happy with the final result. Especially Superman looks amazing. I am very happy with the coloring as well. Ediyani is also very happy with his drawing, and that is the most important. I am also a huge fan of the Batman vs Superman movie. I watched that movie at least 5 times. I just love it. If you liked the drawing, if you enjoyed the video, and if you want to support me, give this video a like guys. It would be amazing to reach 1000 likes in this video. Also let me know in the comments what you think of this drawing. I really worked a lot on this piece, so I would love to know your opinion. Also subscribe to my channel if you are new, and subscribe to my real-time drawing channel as well. If you also want to get a custom drawing created according to your wishes, send me an email to arttolg@gmail.com or message me on Instagram. You can also get some of my original artwork from my Etsy shop. You can find all the links down below in the info box guys. That's it for today. Thank you for watching guys, and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.